Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. Hey, Karen. Oh, you have a nice little kitchen here.
Thank you. It's early. It's only 5:28. We are hitting the road, heading back to our little nest in Colorado. But right now, I want to welcome you to one of my best night's sleeps. We're in Minooka, Illinois. I never heard of it before, but now I'm obsessed with the name, Minooka.
Yeah, it's
So
good.
cute.
It's fun to say.
I wouldn't say it's a place you need to pop onto your bucket list, but if you're driving through here, this is a low-end hotel, but I give it 5 pearls.
Yeah, we're just west of Chicago, southwest of Chicago, so just beyond Joliet, just for
For reference.
yeah.
So it is absolutely immaculate. So I have to start with cleanliness. On a scale of 5 pearls, I'm giving it 5 pearls on cleanliness. I mean, it's spotless. Everything is fresh. There's no stains on the furniture like in the last room. The furniture doesn't even have any chips. The carpet is really fresh looking. In fact, I feel like this is a brand new hotel. I really don't know how old it is, but it feels very new. Again, we stayed here last night, so any mess that you see in here is our doing. But 5 pearls on cleanliness. Thank you so much to housekeeping, because I appreciate that so much.
And location's right off the highway, so it was easy to get to, and we found a great Thai restaurant last night. How awesome was that?
It was so good. It was called Smile Thai, I think. Look it up if you come through the Joliet.
It might be Thai Smile, I'm not sure.
Area, yeah.
Yeah, one or the other, but yeah, that's
Something
great.
with the word smile in it, and the owner.
He has a great smile.
Oh my God, he has such an infectious, beautiful smile, and he's such a great man. Everybody that came to get their takeout, they spoke with him, they knew him, they're like, okay, I'll see you in a few days. So he clearly has a very great business going there, and not only is he a doll, but his food was
Incredible.
so good. So let's talk about the bed, because a lot of times in these lower end, lower category hotels, the beds aren't so great and the sheets aren't so great. The sheets were okay. They were a little bit scratchy. The pillows were phenomenal, and that is usually not the case in a lower category. So, and the bed itself was phenomenal. The comforter and the sheets were just okay, but I'm gonna give it 4.8 because I slept like a baby.
Yeah, I slept really well as too.
But you can't expect fresh sheets when you're in a Town Place Suites.
Right.
So I just want to make that clear that for the category it was really, really great.
And it was really quiet. I didn't hear a peep out here. I'm just thinking, I'm looking out there. You can see the highway way off in the distance. I don't know if you can because of the glare, but.
Yeah, and there's the big Town Place Suites
Yeah,
sign right
right.
there. Yeah, that's what leads me to believe this is a newer building because it feels very soundproofed. I did not hear anybody in the hallway at all. I didn't hear one car, and you can see there's a lot of hustle and bustle going, even at 5:30 in the morning, with the highway there. I don't hear.
So that was fantastic.
Yeah,
So
5 pearls on the quietude.
we didn't have much interaction with the staff because we came in. We had electronic key, but they were awesome. Oh, the guy gave us a key on the way in,
He
right?
was great. He was so great. He said, well, I always make an extra one just in case anybody has an issue, so I have it here for you. He was expecting us. He was really welcoming. He told us about the breakfast and basically everything. I felt like he was very, very welcome.
Yeah, and the gal down front this morning was great too. So, yeah, so the staff is incredible.
Staff 5 pearls.
Yeah, great.
I'll leave the coffee to you. During this road trip, and we're on our final day, we're hoping to get home today. We have quite a long day of maybe 14 hours of driving if we can get it all in. Coffee's been a little bit of an issue this trip, right?
Yeah, well, we've been leaving early. So to their defense, like I brought the coffee up, it wasn't quite hot enough for Karen. It wasn't hot enough for me even.
Right.
But you're very picky about the heat. So we're going to go check it out on the way out because I went down at like 4 in the morning. So,
Right. But I did revert to the Green Mountain.
How was that, by the way?
And you know what? It was great. First of all, it was piping hot, which to me is one of the most important factors when I have my coffee. It was regular coffee, not decaf. Second up there with most important. And I drank it, so it was perfect.
All right, then we're just going to finish with your friend that you rescued.
Yes, I found in the sink when we checked in this beautiful ladybug. And I thought that she had already crossed over, but I took her out and put her on a little tissue, in the bathroom to let her dry out, and I slowly saw her little tail feathers come out, and then this morning when I woke up she was gone, and then we found her, she had flown to a towel, and then she was flying in the bathroom. So we put her up here, and we don't really want to put her outside because I don't know the lifespan of a ladybug. If anybody watching knows the lifespan of a ladybug or any information about them, please post it below because I think everybody would find it interesting. But we are going to put her in the main part of the hotel so that if she wants to get outside, she can, rather than being stuck in here, because I think if she's stuck in this room, she'll not make her way anywhere.
Yeah.
So,
anyway,
it
I think I consider good luck.
very good luck with ladybugs, and it gave me just great joy to know that I saved her because she was in the drain. Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from the Town Place Suites in Minooka.
Minooka, Illinois.
Minooka, Illinois.
Yes, great spot.